Do you hear that? You hear that? Is that my new series coming on? Welcome to the new series, The Expensive Car Experience. This is ridiculous. What's up, I'm Alfred and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing a Trackhawk. I can't believe someone gave me a $120,000 car. So let's get into this video. You might be thinking, why is Wilfred so excited about a Grand Cherokee? Oh, no. I will show you why this Grand Cherokee is called the Trackhawk. Let me pop the hood and you will see. Look at that beauty of an engine. This massive behemoth is powered by a 707 horsepower supercharged V8 that takes this car from 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. For a family SUV, that is insane. Out of this world. You could be going to the store and you just have 707 horsepower. That is insane. Ah! We got there. This car is more than its impressive engine. You can tell by how it's shaped they have aerodynamics in mind. Aerodynamics. And the front end, oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at the lights. With the daytime running lights on, this car is hard to miss on the road. And with that 707 horsepower coming at you, you definitely don't want to miss this car. But look at the grills. This grills has a lot of openings so you can feed that massive engine as much power it needs to give you that 700 horsepower while you're going to Costco. Costco. 700 for a Costco trip. Let's go. Look at that side angle. Looks sick, right? But with the swooping body lines, it goes back to the theme of aerodynamics we were talking about earlier in the front. And with those big Brembo brakes, you have all the stopping power you need while you stop at Costco. Look at those gorgeous rims. And again, these brakes are huge. It matches my shoes too. I call that God's plan. But come take a look at the brakes. Electronic tailgate. With a full-size SUV like this, you get a massive amount of room, and you can also close down the second row seating to even get more room on your Costco trip. And again, electronic tailgate. You're gonna be saying, oh yeah, he's talking about an SUV. You probably forgot we're talking about a Trackhawk. And with the Trackhawk comes the sound of the exhaust. I can't wait for you to hear this. And you know what? Enough talking. Let me show you what this exhaust sounds like. I'm so excited about this. You're gonna be excited as well. You know what? Wait. Satisfying. Now let's get into the car. This car is equipped with a proximity key that all you gotta do is just that. The Trackhawk is a very nice place to be in, and this one is well optioned out. I think it has about $5,000 in options. It comes with DVD players, like the infotainment screen is huge, and massive panoramic I can never say that word, panoramic roof. It's a full glass roof that goes all the way to the back, so you have massive amounts of sunlight, which is great. Come look at this. It has your snow mode, your tow mode, sports, and track. And if you look at this, it has a launch control. You have all your different options here, and it also shows you on the console. So when you move it to sport, it shows you a Trackhawk on the sport. When you go to track, it shows you a fast Trackhawk on your fast. Then you put it to snow, it's on a hilly, snowy day. Then it has towing as well for your 7,000 pounds of towing, which is crazy. You basically own a truck. And carbon fiber everywhere, literally carbon carbon fiber, and it has an 8-inch display for all your needs. Your center screen that gives you additional information. It has the media, your climate for the air vents, your controls for your heated seats and your cooled seats, your apps for driver support, your navigation, your phone for your phone calls, and it also comes with a multitude of settings to configure this car. Whatever you want to configure in this car, you can change it in settings. And yeah, it's very user friendly and also very fast. And the seats, oh my god, they're comfy. It has this bolsters, you just hugs your side. Oh my god, it's amazing. And they come air cooled and heated as well. It comes optioned with this red leather seating belt. Red leather and black. What more do you want? It's amazing. Now let's hop in the back. You have a massive amount of room in this. Look at this. Granted, I'm a very short dude, but enough room for your kids. Then this also is equipped with the back entertainment system, so you have your DVD changer up front, and you can watch movies. And it has a connection here where you can connect your PS4 and PS5, and you can play games on your long road trips. And yeah, very comfortable. Same red seating at the back as well. It also comes with its individual air controls, and it has heated seats as well. And it comes with a plug-in. Like, this is a household plug-in that you can literally plug in your PS4, your PS5, and you can also have your media exchanger there, and it has USB ports as well. This is a nice place to be in. Like, if you have kids, this is definitely the package you want to equip your Trackhawk with, because now they're all busy playing games and they're not going to bother you while you drive your 707 horsepower to Costco. Do you want to see more videos? Please like and subscribe and comment below the next one you want me to review. Thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm watching you. Like and subscribe. Plus, this me and you Costco trip. What are you saying, huh? What are you saying? Like and subscribe. I'll come to your house. I'll pick you up. Costco trip. Let's go.